naught and naught. This naught, can you see the O there? That is to remind you that it only ever means naught, as in 1, 2, 3, the cat's bum. That's that sort of naught. Also, you would say noughts and crosses using this one because it is noughts and crosses. This kind of naught means as of nothing. It has come to naught. It's naught to me. It's nothing to me. And that's originally where naughty came from, which meant good for nothing, absolutely awful. It is completely hopeless, whereas now it's just a mild telling off, isn't it? A gentle rebuke. That's a little bit naughty. So naught, when you actually want the digit naught, it's with an O. And all other naught, it's come to nothing, or it is naughty, is with an A. See you soon, and don't be naughty.